Hi, this is Don Hawley with Hawley Home Inspections. This morning we're going to show you how to wash your deck. Take a look at this. This is a mess.
I'm showing.
First thing we need to do is wet it down. Instructions on the cleaner say to wet all the surrounding foliage. So if you have any bushes or anything you're proud of, you need to wet them down too. Then we're just going to use our garden sprayer. Apply the deck spray, deck cleaner. Make sure you get all sides of your posts to deck. You can shut that off for now. It'll say record in the bottom.
Okay.
Okay. It'll say record in the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, deck cleaner.
Okay, now.
All right, there's two ways to do this. One is with a good deck cleaner, a stiff brush, and 4 to elbow grease. You can see that years of mold and mildew, dirt and crap, coming off fairly easy. And there's where we're at. You can see the difference.
Okay.
Okay, so our second option is a power washer. A little less elbow grease, a little more money. Do not recommend that you power wash vinyl siding with a high pressure washer. Keep it to decks and be especially careful with cedar and redwood decks.